Hello there. Hello and welcome, Jay from The Unbreakable here. Some of you may not know this about me, but I run lightsaber choreography and meditation club for charity. So today I wanted to share with you a useful meditation that can make a big difference in the way you feel and for your mental health. Meditation is an amazing tool to make your mind stronger. And this meditation is going to show you how to go beyond the confines of your ego. This is where the depression sits, and how to join your inner core with the force of the universe, or with the force. I use this meditation a lot, as well as many of my students. So let's begin. Firstly, find a place where you're not going to be disturbed for a few moments. Sit up straight, close your eyes, and pull your shoulders all the way to the ground, as far as they can comfortably go. And when you feel that there is no more room to pull down, simply let go and allow your shoulders to be. As you bring attention to the shoulder area, you will notice a warm feeling of relaxation or tingling. Allow it to be, focus on it, and be mindful with it. You are teaching your body to relax. We always need to go through this warm-up stage to get the most out of our meditation. Next, bring your attention to your hands and make sure they're supported, so you can put them on your lap or on a table or a desk in front of you. With your attention focused on your hands, spread out your fingers in all directions, as far out as they can go. And when they can't go out any further, stop pulling and allow your hands to rest. And just as before, bring your attention to that area to teach your body what the feeling of relaxation means. Alright, next bring your attention to your breathing. Notice how your body is breathing itself, and see if you can make your breathing just a little bit slower and a little bit deeper. Now shift your attention to your toes and gently pull your toes away from your face. Just be very gentle with it. And just as before, when you can't pull any further, stop pulling and allow your feet to rest on the floor. Alright, so this was a mini version of my meditation warm-up routine. And you may notice that your mind has slowed down considerably, and there is a bigger space between thoughts. And this is exactly what we need. As you are, with your eyes closed, bring your attention to your entire body. Just for a moment, stay present with it. Notice how it feels. Now bring your attention to your emotions and to what you're feeling in this moment. If you're feeling low, don't criticize or judge yourself for it. Simply observe the fact. What we need at this stage is pure observation without judgment. And after you've observed your emotions, Notice the sensation of the space that surrounds your body. Simply bring your attention outside your body and circle it around. That's right. You may notice some light tingling or any other sensation. Just as before, don't judge it, simply observe it and acknowledge it for what it is. And now imagine yourself submersed in an infinite ocean of golden energy, which is the Force. Imagine yourself floating effortlessly through this infinite ocean. And as you breathe in, allow that energy to flow into your body through your nose and your skin. Now feel your body gently dissolving into that energy and becoming one with it. Feel the pleasant effortlessness and warmth that this feeling brings. Imagine that your body is weightless, made of energy, and you are simply levitating, surrounded with that flow of the Force. Feel it flowing through you, supporting you. Now, imagine being the best, the strongest, the ideal version of yourself. And notice how this energy is following your command, making you exactly what you want to be. Feel powerful, rejuvenated, and supported. Just as the Force flowing through you, feel yourself endless and limitless. Feel energy flowing through you, restoring you, and empowering for great things. I would suggest staying in that state for at least 10 minutes daily. You can simply pause this video and remain in this place for as long as you like and you feel you need. Now, when you're ready to return, imagine your body slowly becoming solid again, by this time in the most perfect form. Feel yourself healed and empowered mentally, emotionally, and physically. And when you're ready to return, turn your attention to your breathing again. With every breath, becoming more and more aware and awake, allowing your breathing to carry you back to this time and this place. Feel your body lowering down from its levitating position and touching the surface that's supporting it. Feel your feet touching the ground. And when you are ready, open your eyes, wiggle your toes and your fingers, and finish with a stretch to realign yourself fully. By doing this exit routine, you prevent yourself being spaced out after a meditation. So you can jump into action straight away and have a fantastic day. If you enjoyed this meditation, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Share it with your friends and check out my other videos, because I may be the Jedi you've been looking for.